What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's take some time to talk about something that everybody wants in the crypto space, which is turning maybe a $10 or $100 into 1,000 or $10,000. Basically, getting that 100x that we all want to see. As we invest that into some of these plays, we just want to grow it by 100x. We want to be able to grow our entire portfolio by that. I have 60,000 plus dollars that's invested into crypto, and I would love to turn it not only into 600 but $6 million. Are all of these positions that I'm invested into going to get me to that point? Maybe not, right? I'm going to have certain plays that I end up taking my initial investment on and some profit early on and then leaving some for the future. So maybe I don't get to 6 million, but can I get to a level of 1 million or 2 million, right? That would be absolutely phenomenal. So let's talk about that in this video. We're going to go through an article from the Crypto Basic, who breaks this down and talks about different positions that may end up turning a $10 investment into $1,000, right? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to check out Margex, if you want to start trading with leverage on Margex, furthering your investment, furthering your gains, you can go ahead and do that. But it also does provide that risk of furthering your losses. So make sure that you know what you're doing when you're trading if you are going to trade within Margex. So let's get right into this, right? We have this article, 5 cryptocurrencies to turn $10 into $1,000, published today, and it's going through different blockchains, different positions. So based on several factors, ranging from blockchain value to community to general backers, the 5 cryptocurrencies outlined below have what it takes to turn a $10 investment into $1,000 in 2024. That's just 1 year. That's not looking at multiple years outcome. That's talking about 1 year within 2024 if they believe 2024 is going to be that bull run. So the crypto ecosystem has continued to welcome numerous protocols with their underlying assets, while some are promising. Most new tokens are merely cash grabs designed by crypto scammers. For investors looking to get a head start in their research on promising tokens, these 5 tokens are worth considering. So you want to check out a lot of what they do have here. I'm going to increase the size so I can see this a little bit better. Solana. I do believe Solana is going to be a big play, but let's see what they have to say. So Solana has a robust ecosystem that is notably in the spotlight at the moment. The blockchain protocol has a lot of good things happening simultaneously in its ecosystem that primes it for immense growth this year. From the emergence of Solana Mobile to DePIN and DeFi, Solana has taken the fight for dominance to Ethereum's doorstep. Solana also has a very positive price action that enables it to recover easily from bearish trends. At the moment, the price is $92.62, up 1.64% in the past 24 hours. Now, right now, the price of Solana is actually up to about $100, 100 plus. It did reach $125 at one point, and Solana's price does move crazy. I missed out on the opportunity of investing into Solana at 26 cents the first time it ran, which I could have had at 10x. And I even missed out as it was at $11. I did call it out that Solana was still a play at $11. I just didn't have any money. So not having money at that point, I was forced to invest when it increased up to about $60. So now I have a decent amount at $60, but it's still not as much as I could have gained or held at those low levels there. Polygon is the next one, Matic. Matic is a major delight for enterprise firms looking to make a pivot into Web3 space. As an Ethereum-based scaling protocol, Polygon has recorded immense achievements in the past year, ranging from its partnership with Starbucks to CDK toolkit it designed to help create other blockchain networks. Polygon also has a tendency to increase investor capital this year based on numerous advances up its developer sleeve. the digital currency is changing hands for 77 cents, up about 4% in the last 24 hours, despite being down 73% from its all-time high of $2.92. The chances of further growth are high. I would agree. The chances of further growth are high for Polygon. I don't know if I necessarily see a 100x in that position, though. I mean, even Solana, I don't necessarily see a 100x in that position. That would be a multiple $1 trillion market cap, as well as Polygon. That would be the same way. Like, you're looking at 100x's there, probably a $1 trillion market cap, if not more than that. So I don't know that if I necessarily see that going from $10 to $1,000. I can't say that that's the case, but I can say if you're looking for maybe a 10x, maybe a 20x, or something lower than that, that's a strong possibility. But if you're looking for this in 2024, I can't say that that's going to happen in 1 year for Matic to give you a 100x, or even Solana to give you a 100x. Just to be completely honest, like, I see it at a $400 billion market cap, but where it currently stands is like a $40 billion market cap for Solana. So meaning that would need to get to a $4 trillion market cap in order to 100x. I don't know if I see that within this play. Polygon as well. I don't know if I necessarily see that. Cardano is the next one. As a blockchain network, is arguably the most developer-driven protocol, as judged by GitHub activities, prime scalability, and low cost. Cardano is making its mark in Web3 as one of the fastest evolving chains to pitch tents with. Its positive innovation rate has polished the potential of ADA, its narrative or native token, which is worth 48 cents at the moment. It actually is up a decent amount. The asset is up 0.1% over 24 hours, an all-time or the time of writing this post. So yeah, I think as we understand this, again, ADA is sitting at a tens of billions of dollars worth of a market cap. Do I feel as though this is going to be worth multiple trillions? Like, you're adding a zero, right, to the market cap, meaning a $20 billion market cap goes to a $200 billion market cap. A $200 billion market cap goes to a $2 trillion market cap. I cannot say for the life of me that these will get there. Not all of them are going to give you that 100x, but you still will have a large chance within 2024 as we see this bull run. Another position, AVAX. Avalanche is one of the top coins with the most intriguing recovery rates over the past year, described as the fastest protocol in terms of time to finality. Avalanche has soared more than 81% year over year, $32 to $32.60 after dropping as low as $8.91 in October 2023. Avalanche big sell as a candidate on the list lies in its growing embrace by major financial firms like JP Morgan Chase. Now, I agree that Avalanche is a great play. All of these plays on this list I have. The only exception is Polygon. I wanted to get Matic and have that for a while, and I just never got around to holding it. And I always feel like there's a little bit more opportunity in other things when it comes to Matic. I'm like, all right, well, I'll just get into ADA. I'll just get into AVAX. Recently, I just made a move into AVAX, and I agree with that. Now, the one position that I do believe has that chance to 100x is going to be XRP. And that's saying that this can get to a $3 trillion market cap. I agree that that's going to be the case, that we are going to see this at a level to where it can get to a $3 trillion market cap. Probably further, based on everything that goes for it. XRP is considered one of the biggest undervalued digital currencies in the crypto scene, currently trading for 52 cents or 53 cents. The token is up 2.2% in the last 24 hours. In coin market cap, XRP is the only crypto recognized as or by law as a non-security. That's true, except for Bitcoin, because they've said that they don't. Everything but Bitcoin is a security. After the historical ruling for Judge Annalisa Torres, the July 2023 ruling set a precedent that is poised to unleash the coin this year and in the coming ones. So I would agree with everything on this list that they're going to have significant growth. But do I believe that all of them will have a 100x. No, I do not believe that. I believe they will all have their own increases respectively, 10x, 20x, 40, 50x. But seeing it up to a level of a 100x, you're looking at multiple trillions of dollars for most of them. And that's not something that I can look at and go, all right, yeah, it's going to definitely happen. If something is below it, I'm not sure where Polygon is, but if something is below that and it's sitting at like an $8 billion market cap, then maybe that does flow into 100x, because that would be an $800 billion market cap, less than a trillion. But still, you would have to see all other altcoins that are starting to get up into these Bitcoin like levels. But the only one right now that I really see has true massive potential to reach there is going to be XRP. Solana is a clear second, and then you can go into, ADA and go from there. So that's my opinion. That's what I see from the Crypto Basic. Thank you for that article, Crypto Basic. If you want to check it out, you can go ahead and search for it and you'll find it. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. If you guys want to trade any of these positions, you can trade them over on Margex, and you can trade them with leverage if you feel like they are going to explode anytime soon. Or if you want to short the position, you can do that as well. But yeah, feel free to use my Margex link down below. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.